Yo, what's up guys? It's your man, I Do a Barber, with a classic drop fade comb over haircut tutorial. You're gonna enjoy this one. This is a very classic look. So I'm starting off with my envies with the lever slightly open, flipped upside down, creating that first guideline. And now I've got my envies just clearing out the bulk underneath there, creating a nice bald area. And now I have my Bronze Series 7 shaver, just tidying up that fade underneath. So now I have my 2-blade on and I'm just removing bulk. And now I'm cleaning up where that shaver line was left. Now I have my envies with the level open, creating a 1-inch guideline. Now the lever is halfway closed and I'm going right underneath the guideline. You should see the line lighten right now. So now the lever is slightly closed and I'm slowly removing that bottom line. Now I have the 1.5 going right underneath where I left off, removing the bulk with the 2-blade. Now I have the wall half guard on with the lever open and I'm lightening that line that was created by the envies with the level open. And I'm slowly closing the level until I close it completely to remove that line. Now I have the 3-blade on and I'm creating a heavy line of demarcation to prep myself for the clipper over comb. This will be the highest blade that I will use in this fade. And now a little bit of detail work. And now I'm removing that heavy line of demarcation with clipper over comb, going section by section and matching my guide. Now I'm following up with scissor over comb to help refine parietal ridge. And now I have my thinning shears on and I'm softening the parietal ridge.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
And more detail work. And now I'm saturating the hair to get ready to do the scissor work on top. Make sure the hair is completely saturated. But first I'm going to put in the hard part. You don't want to go too thick and you don't want to go too small. And remember, there's two sides to every line. So I'm going to flip the trimmers over and touch the bottom portion of that line. And now I'm sectioning the hair with profile parting to start the scissor work on the top. And I'm starting in the front, creating the longer in the front, shorter in the back profile. And I'm working my way back, creating a triangle shape. And remember, with the comb over, you want the longer length in the front. So now I'm over directing the hair back in sections and matching what I created with that center profile. And now I do the same thing on the other side. And remember, the hair on the left side, seeing how his hair will flow to the right, will be slightly longer than that section on the right side. Now I'm cross-checking to make sure that the hair has been evenly cut to the shape that I'm trying to create with this comb over. Now I'm trying to connect the sides with the top with that overhang. And I will go around the parietal ridge, checking to make sure there's no hair that overlaps and that the hair flows perfectly. And making sure that the hair flows perfectly, because when the front side pumps a little bit, you don't want that hair that swipes over to the side to overhang. You want it to flow perfectly. Now that the hair is wet, you can see where the hair is heavy in any parts. So you just take your scissors and clean up any areas that you see that may be heavy. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side, as you can see here. Saturating the hair to see what is really what.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
And now I'm just refining the haircut before I finish the style. And I'm using my deluxe pomade to style. And to let you guys know, any of the products that you see in this video minus the pomade will be linked in the description below for Amazon, so you can buy any of the products that you see me use here in this haircut tutorial. Now you can just watch me style this comb over. You see the hair flows diagonally forward, and then that hair in the front that will pump up and come to the side. This is why it was so important that I needed that hair on the side to flow well, because it will sit too heavy if it didn't. And as you can see, it flows very well. And as you can see, look at how he came in versus major difference. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. It's been your man, I Do It, signing out. I'll holler.